Every farm is a system made up of human-made infrastructure like fences, roads and paddocks that enable it to be productive. Underpinning this production system is the landscape's natural system. Its features include geology, soils and topography, which form the hills, ridges, slopes and valleys. A landscape's natural system is also shaped by the water cycle. Driven by sunlight and gravity, the water cycle interacts with topography, geology and life, especially plants, to shape the landscape and build all its alluvial features, such as its valleys, flow lines, creeks, floodplains and fans. A landscape's natural system includes a complex mosaic of living features, plant communities, wildlife habitat, and a world of life in the soil. All these elements create patterns and processes that reveal how a landscape functions. A functional landscape is one that is high in biodiversity. It retains and cycles its essential resources like water, carbon, and minerals. A farm's production system and natural system may not always operate in harmony. This can cause a range of issues. These are all symptoms of landscape dysfunction. They indicate a landscape that is leaking its essential resources rather than retaining and cycling them. We can begin to solve these problems by helping the production system and the natural system to harmonise. Once both are aligned, beneficial feedback loops can drive regeneration across the landscape. A helpful first step is to imagine the future desirable system as an interconnected landscape mosaic made up of different zones. These zones each serve different purposes, but they are all connected. The more we understand the mosaic, the better we can manage it to optimise natural function. For example, an eroded flow line may once have been a series of ponds, which, once restored, can support improved water quality and availability across the landscape. Thoughtful management of ponds that stock depend upon can deliver a range of co-benefits, such as better water quality, cooler microclimates, and more habitat for wildlife. As our variable climate creates more challenges for land managers, benefits will flow to the production system from improved landscape function. A functional landscape is more resilient to climate shocks, such as droughts, fires, and floods. A dysfunctional landscape, on the other hand, is easily disturbed and degraded by such shocks. Moist, vegetated areas will provide drought resilience, mitigate flood events, and provide refuge for animals during fire. These areas can also buffer extreme temperatures. Biodiverse habitat offers natural pest management and other ecosystem services. Everybody benefits from landscapes that are both resilient and productive. Creating a landscape mosaic that supports landscape function can be a transformational step.